Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You see, like how a God image depend you, who you think you belong to. And what that would mean. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 22 from verse 15 to verse 22. Then the Pharisee go away and start make plan to take Jesus' own word, trap him. So then send some of them follower plus Herod follower them. Go Jesus. Them say to him, say, Teacher, we know say you talk truth and you really teach the right thing about what God want. You don't care about what people think, cause you're not partial. So tell us, sir, what you think? It right for we pay tax to Caesar, the Roman ruler, or we not fi pay nothing. But Jesus did see, say a bare wickedness did in them heart. So him say, uno set a hypocrite uno. Where you know attest me for? Show me the money you no take pay tax. So them bring one silver coin come. Jesus said to them, say, a over picture name this. Them answer back, Caesar. So Jesus said to them, say, then give Caesar what fame and give God what fame. When them hear how he answer, them did frighten. So then go away left him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.